Hello there. In this video, we're going to see how to download the Java JRE8 and install it. It's a very simple task, but just for the sake of completion, we're going to see this video. Okay, so as you can see, I have Googled download Java JRE8. We can open the first link, and there you go. So these are all the binaries, and you have to accept the license. So let's go ahead and do that. And now I need the 64-bit exe there about it. So let's go ahead and download this. So you just need to click on it, and it's going to take a couple of seconds depending upon your speed to download this. For me, this is taking about 20 seconds. All right, there you go, it's done. So now let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is your Java SC Runtime Environment 8 Update 101, and let's say yes. So this is the welcome screen. So this is going to ask you about the path. So if you want to change your path, so you can change from here, change the destination folder. It's always good to have the Java installed on the default C folder because all the programs are going to look for it in the C folder. So there you go, the installation has begun. This takes about maybe a minute or two depending upon the speed of your computer, and I'll get back to you when this is completed. Alright, so we have successfully installed Java. You can always check by going to your start menu and simply typing Java. There you go. So just click on the About Java link, and it's gonna give you the build, update, and all the other information you need. There you go. That's about it. Very simple. Go ahead and do this. Thank you.